Today, Attorney General Steve Marshall put out a video message about the many Alabama cities taking down Confederate monuments. This comes just a few days after his office filed a lawsuit against Madison County for moving the Confederate statue outside the courthouse to Maple Hill Cemetery. The state says 5 cities have now violated the Alabama Memorial Preservation Act by moving statues that are over 40 years old. They each had to pay a $25,000 fine. Marshall says any elected official who removes a historic monument has broken the law.
Despite what some newspapers might have you believe, any elected official who disregards the duties of his office in this manner has done so not out of courage, but has done so out of fear. This should not be celebrated, for disregarding the law subverts our democratic system.
He says if an elected official disagrees with the law, they can work through legislators to get the law changed. To watch Attorney General Marshall's full video message, just go to rocketcitynow.com.